English presentation presented by Say Benita. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Say Benita and my class 19 2B07 and my name 19 24 17 18 6. Here I will present the entitled computer. Computer definition. A computer is an electronic device that can receive input, process data, store data, and produce output. Computer components. Here are some computer components. The first is hardware such as motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard disk, and mouse. Then the second is software such as Windows, Linux operating uh, system such as Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Uh, and the last in brainware, which is a computer user or a person who plays a role in utilizing hardware and software. Without brainware, the computer cannot be run or used effectively, such as a programmer, operator, administrator, and user. The function of a computer is to process, store, and display data, communication, entertainment, education, and also business. The latter, what are the benefits and impacts on computer? Benefits. The first is to facilitate communication. 2. Speed up work. 3. As an information warehouse. 4. Support education. And 5. Support business. Then there is the impact that will be obtained from the first computer education to online games. 2. Health. 3. Sleep disorders. 4. Lifestyle change. 5. Individualism. Thank you guys. English presentation 2. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Say Benita and my class 19 2B07 and my name 19 24 17 18 6. Inside the computer there are three. The first is hardware, the second is software, and the third is brainware. 1. Hardware. Then we continue what is inside the computer. The first, motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all other components such as RAM, CPU, hard disk, input-output device, and other main function of the motherboard. 1. Connecting all components such as CPU, RAM, graphics card, hard disk, SSD, and input-output device. 2. Distributing power. Transmitting power from the power supply to each component that needs it. 3. Being a data communication that all data between components passes through the motherboard. 2. CPU is the computer brain that processes data and then CPU function. 1. Executing program instruction. The CPU reads and executes command from software. 2. processing data, the CPU performs calculation, logical processing, and decision making based on the data received. 3. Regulating the work of other components. The CPU controls and regulates the flow of data between RAM storage and input or output device. 3. RAM. RAM is temporary memory used to store data that is currently being used. RAM function storing temporary data. RAM stores data and programs that are currently active so that they can be accessed quickly by the CPU. 2. Speeds. A computer performs the larger the RAM capacity, the more programs can be run simultaneously without slowing down the computer. 3. Deciphers. When the computer is turned off, RAM is volatile, meaning that the data in it will be lost when the computer is turned off restarted. 4. Hard drive. Hard drive is permanent data storage. Permanent data storage function stores the operating system programs and personal files such as documents, photos, music, and videos to keep data available even when the computer is turned off. 3. Provides archive space for important data. 5. Power supply unit. Power supply unit provides power to all components. Main function of PSU. 1. Converts AC to DC electricity from the house is in the form of alternating currents, while computer components require DC direct currents. 2. Supplies power to all components. PSU has cables and connectors that are connected to the motherboard, hard disk, CPU, fans, and other. 3. Protects components from electrical damage. A good PSU is equipped with protection features from surges, short circuits, and overheating. 2. Software. 1. Operating system software. Operating system software is a program that acts as an intermediary between the user and the hardware and computer. Here are some functions of the operating system. Providing an interface for easy use by its user, providing information related to computer hardware, both passive and active device, and controlling input or output device. Performing processing tasks and controlling computer resources. Managing files. 2. Application software. Application software is a program developed to meet the needs of user is performing certain tasks. Here are some examples of application software. Basic on their function. Word processor, for example, Microsoft Word, number and data processors, for example, Microsoft Excel, technical image processors, for example, AutoCAD, graphics processors, for example, Corel Draw. 3. Brainware. Brainware can be divided into 4 types, namely user or operator, namely the person who operates the computer; administrator, namely the person who manages the system; sequence and work management, starting from data processing to the final result in the form of information; programmer, namely the person who has the ability to develop computer programs; system analyst, namely someone who plans, evaluate, and access a computer system. Thank you all.